Hi, hello, welcome or welcome back. So today's video is a little bit different because I've never done something like this before, but I thought it'd be really fun to do it. But basically what happened is Raii, who's also known as By a Hazy Moon on Instagram, proposed this idea of thrifting for somebody else and kind of like doing a little trade where she thrifts and then sends stuff to that person, and that person thrifts and then sends things to her. And so I responded to her story saying that it was a really cute idea, and we ended up doing the trade together. So this is the package that I got from her. It's pretty big actually. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this package with my baby scissor that is really bad, but I don't want to use the good scissor because I don't want it to make it sticky. So this is what we're gonna do. All right, y'all see this? I'm gonna open it up. And we gotta cut it open like this at the same time. But anyway. Oh my god. Okay. Alright guys, I just opened it and the top thing is already really cute. I'm actually pretty excited. I think it's a sweater. Yeah, it is definitely a sweater. Let me put this on the ground. Oh my gosh. This is so cute, guys. I've been wanting like a brown sweater, so this is like perfect. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love cable knits. I'm actually gonna make Rai's snowfall or fall snow sweater soon for next winter, but this is so cute, guys. And I love oversized things. Like, hold up, let me see if I can give you guys like, bro, that's gonna fit perfectly. Like, this is gonna look so cute over like everything, like skirts and like jeans and stuff. Thank you so much, Raii. This is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next thing. I can't keep, I can't keep doing this. Okay, this next thing already looks really, really cute. She said in her video that she could not top what I gave her. But girl, this stuff is really adorable. Like, bro, she found like this cute little bag. Like, I didn't give her any bags, like I just gave her clothes, but look, she put like this little accessory on it. And she like decorated it for me. So nice of her. This is so cute. Like, it has like these little buckles on the end. Like, I personally really like hardware, and I really like rivets and stuff. Like, how do you say that? Like the little things that they put on like jeans and like skirts sometimes. Y'all, this is dang cute, bro. Like, you could like hook it or something probably. Oh, you can. Like, you can take this D-ring and you can hook it on here. So let me do it on both sides. Look at this. Like, it changes the shape. Do you see that? But also, I just saw like the next thing. Like, look at this. Look how cute it is. Look at the collar. Look how cute this blouse is. All right, next thing. She found a really cute blouse. This is so cute. This is really cute. I really like the material. It's like a really smooth, like kind of like gauzy material. Like, it's really like flowy, if you know what I mean. And then it's like a nice crop length. Like, I don't have a lot of things that are cropped. And then it has these ties in the front. And I personally really like that look. And it's like a little like it's not like white, it's like an apricot white, if that makes sense to any of y'all. Like, it's like slightly pinkish, like brown. Like, it's like a warmer pink, but it's like really pretty. And then the next thing I saw is something that's patterned, and I personally really like pattern things, especially like tartan and like gingham and stuff like that. So like, look at this. Already I'm like really curious. Oh my gosh. Girl, you found such cute things. What do you mean you're worried if I will like it or not? This is so cute. Like it has like, what is the front part? Would it be like this? I think it would be like this. See, like it has like this little buckle detail on the side. I've never had a skirt with this in it, but I've saved and I've seen a lot of skirts with this detail, which is really cute. Like I saw some mamian like skirts that are like this. I'm sorry, my pronunciation sucks, but this is so cute. It has like these pleats on the very front. Oh my gosh, throughout my video, you're just gonna hear me with my rolly chair. Look how cute. Look how cute. And it's like a really soft, like nice fleecy material. So this is gonna be really good for winter. The inside is also like lined, which is like nice, but. Okay, the next thing, I think it's like tights. Oh, it is tights. She knows I like wearing tights, so she got me one of these. And then finally, she made me a necklace. We told each other we were gonna make each other one. I think she did, didn't she? Oh, she did. Oh, she made me a bracelet too. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, it has like chain. Oh my gosh. It's like an asymmetrical one. Do you see this? You'll see it better when I actually wear it, but it's so cute. There's like this, so like she put all the jump rings together. Do you see this? Like with the big one, so there's like a baby jump ring in between the big ones. And then she put like this chain on the side. And then it has like this center dangly thing. I don't know what it's called, but generally. And then it has like little flower petals with like these other beads that make it really pretty. It could look good with my current outfit. And then she like made a bracelet, a matching one. I would totally do this again, not just with her, maybe with other people who I'm also close to. I think it's really fun to look for things for other people rather than just for yourself. Like a lot of the times when I thrift, I'm like, ooh, I feel like so-and-so would like this and stuff like that. So anyway, in general, like I guess I'm blabbing too much, I'm yapping too much, but in general, I think this was great. I really like everything that she made me. Everything is like so cute. Everything is so cute. And everybody, if you want to see what I got raii, make sure you watch her video. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully we can do a little treat like this again. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.